900,000 followers on Facebook. This journey did not start today. From my first trip to the village, getting our dog, and having twins, you have all been a part of this journey. I have shared with you the stories of my wedding, how Uche came into our world, and how we lived our lives with the 3 kids in Switzerland, on top of the mountains, and in the cold weather. But also how we experienced traveling to Nigeria. And how Obere Chief was added to the family. You have all been part of this journey. I share the life we live in Switzerland with my family, but also the amazing experiences we got to make while living in Enugu. The delicious food and the special moments we had sending the kids to school and just diving into the life in Nigeria. Family means everything to us. And we are happy to share with the community how we live our life in 2 different worlds, gapping the bridges and coming together. The story continues as we got our new dog Chucky and the kids are growing. Life goes on, bringing us back and forth from the amazing life in Isofia, Anambra State, Nigeria, to the cold and cool weather in Zurich, Switzerland. If you have been part of this journey, I want to take this opportunity to thank you. I look forward to what's coming next.